When it comes to roommate pranks, sometimes the line between genius and disaster is razor thin. For Tyler, a college sophomore with a mischievous streak, that line disappeared entirely the day he tried to prank his roommate, Jordan, and ended up pranking himself in the most humiliating way possible. Tyler had always been the self-declared prank king of the dorm. He once put plastic wrap over the toilet seat, left fake spiders in Jordan's shoes, and even replaced Jordan's deodorant with a stick of butter. Jordan usually took it in stride, laughing it off or plotting lighthearted revenge. But one night, Tyler decided he wanted something bigger. He wanted a prank so good it would earn him eternal bragging rights. Scrolling through social media, Tyler came across a video where someone filled an air horn with tape so that it blared the moment a chair was pushed back. He thought, perfect! I'll rig Jordan's desk chair so when he sits down, the air horn screams. It'll scare the life out of him. Late at night, while Jordan was out studying, Tyler got to work. He crouched under the desk, carefully taping the air horn in place, testing it gently to make sure it was angled right. He even set up his phone on the dresser to capture the glorious moment. After finishing, he stepped back, grinning at his masterpiece. Then came the waiting game. Jordan took longer than expected to return, and Tyler, tired from crouching and setting up, plopped into Jordan's chair to relax. The second his weight hit the seat, the horn let out an ear-splitting blast right into his ears. Tyler screamed louder than the air horn itself, stumbled backward, and toppled over onto the floor. In the chaos, his phone kept recording as he scrambled up, clutching his chest like he had just survived a horror movie jump scare. His own trap had worked flawlessly on him. Moments later, Jordan walked in. He saw Tyler on the floor, still shaking, the chair pushed back, and the horn blasting once more as Jordan accidentally brushed against it. Confused, Jordan asked, "Dude, what just happened?" Tyler muttered something about testing the prank, but Jordan didn't even need an explanation. He picked up the phone, replayed the video, and laughed so hard he nearly fell over himself. "Bro, you literally scared yourself," Jordan shouted. The video, of course, made its way online within minutes. Jordan uploaded it with the caption, "Roommate set a trap for himself." The clip went viral, with people commenting things like, "The hunter became the hunted," and that's what we call instant justice. What made the video even funnier to viewers was Tyler's dramatic reaction. His scream was high-pitched, his fall clumsy, and his face pale with shock. Some viewers edited the clip into horror trailers, while others slowed it down and added dramatic music, making it look like Tyler was in a life-or-death thriller. Tyler's prank fail became a running joke around campus. Friends would sneak up behind him and shout "beep" just to watch him flinch. Professors even joked about it during lectures, saying things like, "Don't set traps unless you're ready to spring them yourself." Although Tyler was mortified at first, he eventually leaned into the fame. "Yeah, I pranked myself," he admitted in an interview with the school newspaper, but hey, at least I know the prank worked. His ability to laugh at his own misfortune only made the videos spread further, solidifying his reputation as the prankster who couldn't even escape his own traps. The irony of the story made it unforgettable. Tyler wanted to be remembered as the master prankster, but instead, he became internet famous for being his own victim. And while Jordan still occasionally falls for Tyler's tricks, he never lets him forget the day the air horn got its sweetest revenge.